Good morning and happy Thursday. It is 7:30 when it's here and it has a bad cough, don't you?
Yeah.
And Alfie is crawling all over the place. Last night I had a very productive evening after a very productive day. I had a hair mask which was amazing. Now my hair is super soft. And a face mask, a face scrub, a nose patch. Yeah, lots of stuff really. The chance that my face will break out after everything is big, but it's normal and I don't care. But I feel good and I went to bed early. The only thing that Alfie had a really bad night. He has his teeth, like 4 or 5 teeth ready to come out at the minute, and I feel really sorry for him. But we're trying to keep the painkillers for when it gets really bad, just so we have something for then, and I think we are reaching that point now, so I'm gonna give him some today. Owen is balancing on one foot. Owen is not very good at balancing on one foot, so he's been told to practice.
I don't know why we could balance. I don't know why we're going to balance it with a puppet on one foot as well.
Well, you can, if you practice, you'll get better at it, okay? So that's what the teacher asked him during the school holidays, to practice that, didn't she?
Yeah, but you just what?
What?
Do you really experience mystery yesterday?
What was the mystery yesterday?
We forgot to do the activity book, so
we forgot to do the activity book. This is the mystery of yesterday, apparently. So what's going to happen? How are we going to solve this mystery?
we're going to need to do what we were going to need to do yesterday. And what we're going to need to do today.
Yeah, so we're going to do double activity book action today. So this seems to be the game of the day. It's drag the step across the floor and follow it. Alfie seems to love that game anyway. He has had a nap for about 15 minutes and then he woke up, and that was him.
I would ask you to put me on when I'm sitting on it.
He's not strong enough, Owen. He's not strong enough to do that.
What about you to do it?
No, I'm busy right now. I'm doing some work.
Baby, will you hold out him while he's sitting on and I can put him?
No, because he might follow and that's a bit dangerous to do that, okay? But do it the way, he was on his knees like that and you are both pushing it?
Huh?
Do you know the way you were pushing it and he was following you on his knees and he was laughing? Why don't you do it like that? It is almost half 2. Alfie is finally in bed. So far he's had a 15-minute nap today. I'm hoping he sleeps more this afternoon because he's wrecked. I've only managed to get dressed. Well, I've put some tracksuit bottoms and like old t-shirt on at 2:15 in the afternoon because for that I couldn't. Owen just watched Big Hero 6 and I have still managed this morning to do some, I needed to do quite a lot of picture editing for like showcases and stuff I'm taking part in. What is it, Owen? It's called Baymax.
Baymax. Okay.
Come here. Owen wants to explain something about.
Who's the guy who wore the blue suit?
I didn't see Owen. I don't know the name of the people in that movie. I would have to watch it again to see. Okay. Him, that boy?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know the name of this boy, but what about him?
He looked Max.
He looks Baymax.
Yeah, and then he said, and then he got Max again.
And then he got Baymax
at the end.
In the end, he got him again.
Yeah.
That's good then, isn't it?
He got back alive.
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah. It was the same when we watched it in the cinema.
Yeah, we went to see that movie in the cinema. It's actually a really good movie. So I'm gonna try and do more work now that Alfie is asleep. I don't know how long it's gonna last. What are you gonna do? Do you want to play a game or what do you want to do?
I don't want to watch another movie.
Okay, you watch another
Do you
movie.
still got some work?
I have loads of work to do when because I couldn't do it properly because Alfie kept climbing on me, didn't he? He was a grumpy baby today, wasn't he? And I need to do a lot of work because tomorrow we're going to the
This is the sauce place we are going.
where?
Okay. The first question is, you know what we bring Alfie? So us to go somewhere. Guess what it is?
It's to Tesco's.
No.
To the post office.
No.
To Daddy's work.
No.
I don't know.
So what about the guys that...
What's the answer?
It's
To
Granny's house.
Yes.
So this is the 2 more questions. Okay. So what do you think, guys, is the next question?
Where are we gonna go next? We're gonna go to the cinema.
Yeah.
And what's the last question?
The last question. You only watched one of the movies, but we had season number 2 and season number 1. You get what it ends. It's one of them. And
Chipmunks.
yeah, but we got season number 2 and season number 1 is the came up, but we're going to season number 3 was the movie as everything at the end is saying
What does it say?
what did they say?
Don't.
Come and go.
There's a hailstorm.
It's like an ice maze again. Can I pick one up?
Hold on, we're gonna wait until it stops and then you can have some, okay? Because right now it would hit your head. It's crazy. I hope it's not gonna wake Alfie up though. Look at the ground, it's getting covered in ice. It's crazy.
Crazy?
So much.
So much?
I hate the weather. It woke Alfie up. He has a skylight in his room just above his bed and the noise of the hail on his skylight woke him up. So yeah, I'm gonna wait in case he does go back to sleep. It seems to be calming down right now, so I'm gonna hope for the best that he goes back to sleep. We'll see. It is 7:45 and James is home and is bringing Owen to bed. I am exhausted and I haven't managed to do anything this afternoon because Alfie is the clingiest, grumpiest baby today. He will not sleep. He went back to sleep for about 20 minutes after he was awakened by the hail shower earlier. And since that he's been on me, crying almost constantly, which is why I haven't vlogged, because I just had to take care of him. And yeah, so I am absolutely drained because it sucks the life out of you really when they are like that. And I can only assume that his teeth are very painful and that's what is causing it. It's just the top two front ones are like, you can see the gum is cutting from the inside. It's not cut on the outside completely yet, but it's like, I kind of wish I could like rub it so it would help and it would be done, but I don't want to hurt him at the same time, and he won't let me near his gums anyway. I'm very glad that I don't have to cook tonight and have the other half of the quiche that I made for yesterday's dinner for tonight. And yeah, I'm really sorry this vlog is very short. There's not much content, but to be honest, it's either that or you would have had a montage of a baby crying all afternoon, and there's no much point in me showing that. And I'm going to stop it here, even if it's probably very short, because all I'm going to do now is have my dinner, switch off in front of some TV show, I'm not sure what yet, and then get an early night because sorry, I do not know what is in stock for the night. So I will see you tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be able to vlog a little more, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye.